Peace FM 104.3 Woodmeat Take.
Nano uni wofa Jombodu David Jombodu General Mosquito by
no dem ofa maybe John or Johnson dem ofa
Oba okay Oba Johnson I say do nketi abetrance en komana me no boy no fana kokogina no nka se fa kwa ni nyina mpo kokogina electoral commission na enema ekoso general say electoral commission na adwin say onfa emra enye adwuma nti ama ehuma yempa ewo 2020 aba yeba abetui emu but baby awu gina no e de baby omusu gina no ensonso ye dantem sesi ha electoral commission limited registration exercise and matters arising bombing committee saying
you who's NDC for electoral commission for asema say ye digina
angaje mpacho ma men science enka manfo biom say en test line and WhatsApp na 0208 896169 0208896169
you me say NDC for electoral commission, particularly electoral commission led by Jim Mensah ya now say ye kai abra ye appointee Jim Mensah no NDC for jijire mu say oye MPP ni ase du nketi akro ya say obe prove so oye MPP ni nti okofa evidence aba ye twen na one for evidence amba na Council of State approve ye ma otumi ebeye head of the electoral commission na sebi Ghana had obi nye nipa ensin obi political party bi any or no same political party bi ye wo Ghana higher ye started fourth republic NDC for na moyi electoral commission head over the years 1992 Josiah Ofori Boateng 1996 Afarija muyi no otena ho abese 20 years ansa mubeyi Charlotte say enti mukwa no for the past 6 elections ayaye no mu ena muyi obi e ma netena ho and constitution no ena ma mo kwan enti constitution ma mo kwan a mo say obi enti say agba say the first time yesu ye obi a eno no me hu ade kronti a e wo say NDC for ebo mu tirimu pose ma me de obeye biara enyo mo feda de obeye biara because minia first day I call IPAC electoral commission for a day discussion on district assembly election ye be na at that time na November na say na call ya almost say 10 December na mrane kire say so be such a major exercise na o say utumi ebie say unya general registration exercise also be limited registration exercise now here now man ko for ho kwan ko for omadi 18 bibinti afi no omadi 18 ebi ma omadi abro bibinti omantumi an register no omo ho kwan mo register even pono ya mra no po kire say your bibi e friend continuous registration so nti no engodu say engodu mre ema yakobie register kra mo bia ko register but those Ghana bibi basa na obabo hu dewra che ansankofo ate ase enu nti no mo ka kire yen say omo pese omo ebie register no ema sa opportunity no but omo pese omo ye no online na online no pese omo ye no omo facility omo wo ombetumi ayen sa online no omo VMS machines omo wo no eno wo districts na eno no ema omo opportunity say o register straight away no na akọ omo records munya afi na ye ko export some information from baby near the akọ enu nti no omo be pese omo ebeye registration no at the district level ena ye nyina ye discussion no ye ka say no me apona me say raise say look electoral commission say mo registration or district level na ma political parties no onto hashes for instance ubekaya abra court rule is say omo de NHIS register no omo document no enye valid document nti sanko for no yensan sesa na omo mfa either driving license and say passport and register no. The Electoral Commission at that time did it at the district level. And there has been a lot of occasions limited registration at the district level. Inti anya ade ayenwa. But me no and the problems are yenya abromoye or district level no. And me raise use the famous Bole Bamboy example is the distance between Bole to Bamboy no 80 kilometers. You can imagine. Inti somo be register no or say Bolia now fi Bamboy and most of it nipa no fi Bamboy direct o. A crazy of fee and so beba Bamboy and so abese chat 80 kilometers no no anisika no di twa no na e create problems inti na political parties mom and ebe corner ye per car mo ye say inti hardwe on that first day Electoral Commission for energy to mo say omo be na at the district level but omo be hwe areas a challenge to say example na mama no na omo provide additional centers amaye. This was a discussion we had and then here omo person omo be na be 6,000 polling stations and electoral areas and now 29,000 electoral area polling stations and they say omo feel say DVD machines na ye use no aye old fingerprint you be here hunsem bebre nti omo we pese omo ebesesa na towards 2020 no ya ye new ID card enunti no so omo ko invest about $20-30 million in providing for sa BVD ya omo etu egu enunti no omo feel say sa a car omo we bono omo to save sika now omo dey prepare mom towards the new voter ID card for our general elections because almost nim so say na district assembly you know na turn out no etasa you can say be district assembly now be for limited registration exercise unya half of even the numbers crown now we expect no do ko say sa sika na minji dis eboa and this for mo ho na yes our discussion is nyina o omo pie ya na Electoral Commission go issue statement ko ka say omo at the meeting ya ka say by 2020 be new ID card omo mune akum
so omo say hono na enye enka mo agenda na passing comment
this for omo committee na
omo say passing comment
we dey been passing comment major comment say what
committee 2020 election see be new register na a major point am discuss
a major commenter oma as a reason tia on to me enye 6,000 na 29,000 polling stations
and to them on kind NDC can say
so no motio
omo can say
dey no ga ma ka hwe
and the Oman raise objection
me say Oman objection akọ raise ni say nipa no say be new voter register no objection be na akọ raise say mo nye and answer them when I tell you, go raise the about objection. Mistake a bike kakra and say, omo issue, omo communicate no after the meeting no. Now omo number so omo number be a 1, 2, 3. The 3 so no kaka so you discuss say. But omo draw a general statement was so say after a thorough deliberation. At our IPAC meeting, these are the decisions I take here. If you are not no when you thorough deliberation, they are no about as part of a discussion. And who did there NDC for year? No more if he say, ya can't say, yeah, by your registration exercise, yeah, by at the district level, the Electoral Commission is going to go ahead and identify challenge areas and add a sentence. No more if about 1 month later, no more can say, hey, you call an agenda, no, na, you see, you had this limited registration, and so almost no press conference. You understand? It's all this one, young as political parties. Through IPAC no they are aware of the Electoral Commission episode it did bebrebe no na me hu baby adede bebrebe no ne fire by efi because all the argument sabi ye raise no are no new argument. For instance, obi at Amenfi West na Tolompan electoral area. Police station bi wo ha taking the best 7 hours and our go do baby obeja obetwa nsuo as we nya moto high and also be taking the best 4 hours and we do Tolompan and no part the electoral area no onyendu asenkelgwa. This condition has been there under Farijan and a friend is saying Charlotte say yeah registration at the district level, yeah re-registration at the district level. It's when you be new no yeah who did it. So it's your big and also electoral commission and Jim Mensa and Dr. Bossman. No. Omuko wi abema
Bossman Asare
omuko wi abema na njina so a ujina no na enyedu na wankasa na onye wadwuma yie eni awo ho enti na wontumi ujina eno so akasa no bani nyina so jina se NDC for na bo mu tirimu pode election omuni nzombe lusu 2020
Ona kaza jiro
me catch no suba omu ye di zanete
no ba omu nim sombe wini
ombe de wini omuni nzombe lusu 2020 omu saiki omu nko fo no
ebe wo na ogidi se omu nim sa
because yes asembe na aba asema make am say about 2-3 months ago and they call IPAC or yes our discussion into every other IPAC I ever call omu brief here about what the omo to me name. As we speak now, omo they close to maybe 1,000 centers crown asaba. In addition to say the ebe or district, you know, into region by region, district by district, centers any location omo identify as challenge areas, you know. Omo de ama political parties. Iti dede bebrebe no asene sen. Ofa commander Edna Eguafu constituency for instance. Electoral commission ebe registration center no ewo municipal office. So in addition to that no omo beye wo other places. Ofa Cape Coast and also sa listen no ofa Mejidi says any omo district for kasa na electoral commission for omuja omone ntokwa ombehu additional centers ye de abeka ho no so until because so offer the main one and no na municipal assembly ho and omobeye registration no. In addition to that no omobie centers were zongo low cost omobie center ewo Eguafu Breman omobie center wo Bantuma omobie center wo Ankafo over Cape Coast electoral commission ga district office in Kwane na Gombe or Cape Coast Metropolitan Assembly building. But in addition to that no omobie bi wo Achem omobie bi wo Kokomdo Kakumdo omobie bi wo Nkwantado omu Kwantado Asim omu biebi or university new site omu biebi or Pedu omu biebi or Futu Mampon omu biebi or Kofodua Nyinasen Yanaza listen no ewo hosa ndi dede bebre ne ntokwa bebre no me fire by efihefa me fire by efihe senye se omo ankasa obo mu tirimu pose the commission be ka biara omo ntiase a na dede bebre no efihifa it mean until say omo be kan yes for some of us no omo dede bebre it gra na my electoral commission me gidi said the last time I call IPAC no I was saying by that time so let's say are you ready I was saying by that time no let's see are you ready because yeah as political parties no yeah let's see na be boy na they are planning e be boy na to me yeah public education for our people say you be a center see wa nti baby out no center ben no ene ebia Achem ana Kakumdo and I say the honor also call your registration on the better no and also be boy ma ye to me enya agents are be jira sa me ani nyina ayeka omu delay kakra mom there but they've already informed us say this was what they were going to do nti mraso a omu bu no anything
or maybe some specific question okay a back provision in CI 91 so can I say BBB regulation 8 to the BB or say and she share no mono yes say easy no or the baby sa baby or through the registration center as I said biano baby a yabeto aba now no issue ni say normally baby obi tro ni din no ho na duru abato so a okokoto aba enti wo kocho no district nipa na be den wo hu se abato zuzu ha na metro no na 2 yento abanko to bi o EC in the district office as polling center da enti na no ye clear breach of sa provision in CI 91
oh dada one kind ye wonso ye no so anko kan me boa oh ye no so anko kan me boa
me nibi
undi bi it over be kan de opewa electoral commission go share your constitution mu a ono na wo ho kwan say that registration centers and electoral area or say the commission shall designate registration centers for the purpose of registering voters. May designate any place it considers appropriate as a registration center. Okay, wait now.
Okay,
wait now.
Okay.
Ntiafe dia na okaka hono eden. And no yeah additionally in taking the decision no there are certain things was said or take into consideration or say in designating a place as a registration center the commission shall take into consideration or say shall take into consideration one gas a change na sa na also here anameboa
so say sha this
or say shall take it na court to sha no want to say anjeje ma want to say you court want to say or say shall take into consideration a suitable place as the suitability of the place for use as a polling station on election day.
Yes.
And the accessibility of the place to prospective applicants for registration. Enya asamba akupe. Na nya mandatory say chinchina be registration na. Also take decision na. Who are so take decision no, but take some of these things into consideration. And no also say taking no into consideration, but when a limited registration, the one person no our district na and the bebo. In addition to some our district and so provide other centers and no bebo. And not just our registration be register no polling station. And no sabro for no what saying. Intente sa do akan ni sibi ope e na wa chirechire mu enu ti electoral commission eti ninji ni ses adete kra
ti asembia ni ho
ebi asama obeka na eye point kakra ni say so ko 3 na or say the commission shall at least 14 days before the first day of the national registration of voters inform political parties and the general public by publication in the Gazette, the radio, television or any other medium of mass communication of a place it designates as a registration center. On the day you call IPAC no, now exactly 14 days to the time a very registration exercise. The electoral commission informed us on that same day no na omo assembly press omo gazette places no for registration. Now already no omo catch say district centers near anameboa. Now the aka any additional places no omo be provide no. In fact that day no man farmer but they told us and even at the meeting no some of IPAC members raise specific areas feel say can provide a center or so when in Abeka say on the 14th day now I was say Gazette no na electoral commission and available to political parties. But I don't think this is so fatal to say that ebe ma registration exercise no ye mu amobi. I mean this a way fatal.
It is a
Peace FM 104.3 Would you mean Taki?